Hey guys, welcome to day 6. Excuse me. Today, welcome to day 19 of Vlogmas. Today we have 6 days until Christmas. I already got that from, but it's currently 9:25, and I've been up for maybe about an hour. And you can see I brushed my hair and got my dress done. I got my suitcase on my bed and opened up. So let's show you guys what I need to pack today. So I have everything I need, pretty much everything I need right here. I got Bunny, my bonnet, my Santa Claus stitch, mini hairbrush, which is super cute, my book, my glasses case, and my devotion. And that's not all because I need my toothbrush and things like that. So I'm gonna put those in my suitcase, and I will see you guys in a bit. Right, this is how I got it so far. I shoved my book, devotion, bunny, bonnets under there, glasses case, and my toiletries, and there. I'm gonna turn that around, actually. So now I'm going to go finish getting ready for the day. Maybe pull up my hair because it's gonna get in the way if we open presents today. Or whatever we're gonna do today is gonna get in the way. But anyway, I gotta go do that. I'm probably gonna go eat a little bit more or something. I only had a fruit strip today because I wasn't really, and I was hungry, but I didn't know what to eat. So I'm gonna go eat something else, maybe a yogurt. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Right, I'm in my store wardrobe in there. I already ate a cup of yogurt, and I'm gonna have an egg. So then I'll finish getting ready for the day. Alright guys, I got my suitcase already, my toothbrush, everything in there that I needed, and I got my pocket knife so I can, that's a farming knife so I can open the presents if I need to. Ever since I got my, the knife for Valentine's Day, I think it was 2 years ago, I have brought it to, I've taken it to the Christmas. When we go to South Carolina, I've taken it for Christmas. Just so I don't have to, if it's like, I don't have to ask her, does anybody have a pocket knife? I can just reach in my pants pocket, my pocket and grab my knife. Mom and Dad gave this to me for Valentine's Day. So I like to keep it just in case I need it. That's for the Christmas anyway. It's for Christmas. I like to typically keep it here at home just because I don't want to lose it. But anyway, it's 9:50 and I'm probably gonna take the suitcase out to get loaded up in the car. We're gonna leave here about 10:30-ish. So that can be anywhere between 15 and 10:45. We're probably not gonna leave at 10:30 or even probably gonna leave closer to 10:45, but that is okay. I will keep you guys updated. My room is ready to go because he's on for the birds. Lunch time. It's about an hour. You're good.
Is this a trick?
Yes.
It's underwear, we need to turn our eyes.
Now this in sell things. You bought this at the store like that.
Be careful.
That girl.
Kept it fresh.
How long did it take you to do that?
It's only a few minutes.
All year long.
only took a few minutes to do it, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes.
Now, when I get down, there better be something in this thing. Little girl. Better not be another one wrapped up.
There's not. I don't think there is.
What kind of tape do you use?
Packing tape. Mom told me I could use packing tape.
Well, you did.
Mama, watch this. Those are those are Patriot socks.
No.
Those are Patriot socks
I
from
know,
Papa.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
They're a little creepy.
That is cool, Grandpa.
They're creepy, Grandpa.
They are. Yeah, they got our mascot Pete on them.
Oh,
I'm filming.
nice.
Oh, you're filming,
you're not
I'm
dig through
just
it.
very impressed with wrapping. I tell you.
Looks like a FedEx or a Fed something.
Say it.
Be careful when he's making your breakfast tomorrow.
That's where Sawyer.
I'm
When he was Santa Claus.
Oh my gosh.
Ho, And then
That's terrible.
that's what. And Greg Petty said, I knew the minute he said it, he said, I didn't know who that child was until the minute he said that. And then he said, I thought, that's Ben Childers.
I'll put it if he wants me. But I'm not. Maybe you do. What are your guesses, Graham?
I'm
Take a guess.
even.
Take a guess.
Yeah, make a guess, Graham.
You don't got it.
Make a guess. Is it something for inside or outside?
I'm not. Make a guess for each.
All right. Outside, a shovel or a hoe or something to work out in the yard.
Okay, inside.
Something to work inside the yard.
It's not some anatomical part, is it?
Yeah, I got her the skin organ.
One is called the colon. Oh, cool.
You can.
Oh.
It's an umbrella. It's one of our umbrellas from school.
Really?
Yeah, you can open it, like take off the thing.
Okay, right now.
That is
No, I meant
neat.
take off I'm pretty sure. Wait, never mind. Hey guys, so we've been here for a couple hours now. I haven't really jumped on to really explain what has been going on, but I'm in my room. I'll give you guys a little bit torn a little bit. But anyway, we opened our presents. I got some really cool things, and I cannot wait to share them with you guys on the 26th for my big Christmas haul. It's definitely gonna be really big this year, and I just want to say I am really thankful for one of my gifts I received today. So it's really late. Let's see what time it is. It's 10:32 Eastern time, by the way. So I'm super tired, and we had dinner. It was pasta, pizza, things like that. There was like salads, bread, and a lot of desserts. But that was good. I had some chicken Alfredo. It was here, by the way. We ate here, and then I had some. Let's see. I had some bread and salad, and then I had a lot of desserts. But anyway, like the presents under the tree, as you saw, they were 3 of those were for me, but my grandmother put a lot of presents in a box. So and there was multiple presents and like all 3 of those things that I was given, and my cousins gave me some too. So anyway, also to include a clip of my grandmother opening her prank present, which was really funny, and my grandfather opening his. So enjoy. I hope I will see you guys tomorrow for day 20. And we'll still be here tomorrow. It's gonna be fun. By the way, we typically open presents this Saturday, but we couldn't this year, so that's okay. We'll do the game Saturday, and that means I'll get another present. Don't know what that is. We don't even know the present. I will show you guys the room after I get my pajamas on. Here's the room. So that's my blanket from home. Outside, it's really dark outside, but this is what it looks like. You can't really see, so I'll show you guys tomorrow. But books, etc. My bonnet thing. The door. Toys. Don't know what that paper is. Stick it behind there so it won't fall off. And then my stuff. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for day 20. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna go to bed now.